me ho ye pa.
Say we be did them.
Oh, niema did them.
Okay.
Oh, me chaba kasa kakra o.
Why, Jose?
Coaches mu nyina.
Yeah, why exclusive with Correo dello Sport.
Oh, okay.
Exclusive interview. Okasafa nyoma hodo bebre ho. I don't know matro was sure. Okasafa Roma ho. And no matro la Roma. Okasafa transfer market. And no matro El Mercato. Okasafa nkunimdia Roma to me in the first time obaye that was winning the Conference League. And the success so far. And Okasafa referees on glee arbitrary, and then also Okasafa a club not bread here, but I was all brands and what there. So he spoke on all these issues in that exclusive interview on a Corriere dello Sport, the sports courier in Italy. In the what say Mourinho Okasafa Anthony Taylor incident in one out of this interview exclusive one or the moment. Ana ho ensunsanso na ba enti omatu ni din se la mia secunda vita na say the second life of Ono Jose Mourinho. The first life no yemfa they say well during the heydays time and not all dominate all winning no and the second life no the spell or the Roma FM a ono hu say enije kakra wo mi to hwe ha omatu say noa in retardo manesuna guerra trame e Thiago Pinto my pentito de ave dito si I fright can say the other one is a womb so market trade as regards the transfer market. But in Tokwabio Neone Thiago Pinto in team. Thiago Pinto na much more the sporting director for Roma. Omuntem ego in Tenya dia say Omun Kuntokwa irrespective of the fact that o market trade kakra. And then or say or can yes to fight can in the only AS Roma. It is a good decision no take here. Osanso ba bechemu ho transformato tanti bambini Italy nika bambino akwada ba ko bambini nkwada bebre enti ho transformato tanti bambini in giocatori na say ono aboa transform nkwada bebre osanso kasafa Paulo Dybala ho a o chire de a chire say Dybala no people should watch out for him because this season Nyoma befa with Paulo Dybala then I say and free first August adi koya no oda enya dey our transfer troubles bia enti that is what say Mourinho nsem o kabat be na me pese focus on wahano Lukaku's aspect into hwe ase ha o matro say Lukaku Juve sprint in 48 ore na say Lukaku Juve ebe through me kana ebe fast pace in the next 48 hours the beer to me see which is endani ochne no matro was say traogi domani l'appuntamento decisivo con il Chelsea. There's between today and tomorrow, there will be a crucial appointment, which is a meeting between Chelsea and Juve. On taking that decisive decision on Romelu Lukaku. Ora Allegri usa la forza. There's a Massimo Allegri on a Juve or boss no. On a pushy for this particular dealer. Or he has Romelu Lukaku and so Baba joining. Now Juve were two plans. The first plan is Chelsea in Comono. They will still want to push the Dusan Vlahovic agenda. If Fadia, then they will take Lukaku. Chelsea bet you 30-35 million euros. Now, Juve for no money. The second plan is Juve for bomb pie. Say Hurricane to buy and fail.
Omo bomb pairs
and fail. Say failure. Bayern have on their list Dusan Vlahovic as alternatives. So it means Bayern will push for Dusan Vlahovic. They will pay money. And then almost bet me a push Lukaku deal no. So they are hoping send your mabe fat this week they are more but omo de per Corriere dello Sport no in the next 48 hours and then watchna something concrete will come out of the Lukaku pursuit. Ni ehu se na nyoma enso esi eko. Omo ton Denis Zakaria enso de Nako Monaco. It could give them money to still pursue Lukaku. So I know you're Juve for no omo hwe nim so bet me aye. La Gazzetta dello Sport enso they are all the same Juventus bet. PSG Allegri Russia. Now Allegri is risking it all. Risking it again. Juve to per max. Now Juve is leaning more towards the options and as the choice of Massimo Allegri. Allegri wants Lukaku.
Yes.
And he's risking it all for Romelu Lukaku. And Tomato has il club tratta Lukaku per fa felice il tecnico pero vuole partire forte altrimenti può saltare. So the Oche Wahani is simple. The technical team, no, headed by Allegri, the option has always been Romelu Lukaku or Pabantenese Ombra. into Omachoa Giallo Romelu Giallo ni yellow enti yellow Romelu enti the Lukaku pursuit has also been captured here according to La Gazzetta dello Sport. Omuhi abante ne se kianeke e wasoba no otumu se ne nyoman so esieko. Napoli assigning Nathan from a Red Bull Bragantino Brazil, no sorry. And also ma capture waha. He's a replacement for Kim Min-jae. And then ma capture waha say El Calcio di Estate Derby Intervanti. Ne say omoka the Derby de la Madonnina, the Milan Derby na Inter assistance now ahead of AC Milan pair. Almost estimation. Oko Tuto Sport and what two Juventus were tuing into Wemo a Corona Juventus was no a one almost what was a Lukaku assist Bayern. Now pronto la fondo Juve per il Belgia Grazi I Tedeschi. Then Omatro two doppel il no per can Torno su DV9. DV9 no a Dusan Vlahovic. Also ne initials no DV9. Now say Tuchel nim say Harry Kane they be na every Tottenham Haba because they presented their final offer. Saturday the Mutual said the final offer was not a year adi or more say they need an answer. And so no ultimatum was set. But they've presented their final offer more train a response from Tottenham. They will wait for a considerable period. Say buy an anti anything positive. And as a Tottenham cracker almost said they be Tuchel will move to Dusan Vlahovic. And to move GDA say Vlahovic na Bayern for beba so more pen. It will push the Lukaku agenda. Ebeboa maniomo etimi akonkan dia momo. And then has Omatro Zan Ora Kelka Il Sodi per Balogun Milan. Nese Inter Milan omo one offense Steven Zan. And they onamo Pesca or Boabuano sene beya obetimi ati abrantie Folarin Balogun o si akindema Arsenal. Na wetimi abanya nyoma so akoso. Has Omatro Pepere Pep Ribery at Wembley and Revincita Arsenal. Nese Moko Akko Pep Guardiola ni after losing the Community Shield to Arsenal via penalty shootout. L'équipe of France. Also the front page and then you're reporting here. Le Real Madrid attend un signe de Mbappe. Next, Real Madrid are hoping to see some signals concerning Kylian Mbappe. Maybe betray where they are trail. Then Omatrawa La Vie Lorientez de Benjamin Mendy. The life of Benjamin Mendy at FC Lorient, the new club now. What joining now? Now there's Mbappe thing. Madrid with two options. Way. The first option is Mbappe now needs to come out publicly, say he wants to leave Paris Saint-Germain because of situation in Kosovo. Now Perez, I believe, say if Mbappe makes this public declaration now, but if they enter now, it looks like a PSG they invite you, so it gives some kind of room for PSG to manipulate the negotiations. But Mbappe now about because club need treat me and me person me free mudia, then they are ready to accept that, and then omobema ayen komotriano etimiako smooth. Then the second one also you say Madrid will wait until after August 15th. Nakabe 2 weeks near closing market, then they will enter the negotiations. Until August 15th, no qua Emreni ho until PSG and play hardball baby because PSG no ASA or to trim or man common more gidigidia. Madrid will relax. PSG no na ho training because Mbappe gets to stay at the club. He does not play, they will still pay him money and they will lose him for free in the summer. That is next year. Until Madrid are playing a waiting game and a smart game, and it's being engineered by Omopenyi Florentino Perez. Say Mbappe brought out in Canada. It has been communicated to Faisal Lamari, Mbappe Mami. Say this is the decision and I said the stepper Madrid Pesa boy no so take it not omo pursue. And then once again, Marca in Spain, I capture say no high pardon, na say no forgiveness. Enya dia fache bia be free PSG ho e dia ko Mbappe ho. So as a stance, PSG stance ne say Mbappe and training with the first team no, it remains. Omako Paris back after Omoko across Asia. Omo back in France. Omo training. Mbappe will still not train with the PSG first team. Okay, the rejected Nehua on your mobile training. Into Matroa, Mbappe y Luis Enrique, Cada Uno por su lado. Mbappe, Luis Enrique, side by side. Anko Munya anka coaching in the play or more year, but because PSG near Madrid, so more the better. Mbappe Comonana, tennis abofra, on one day, or Jada won't build the scene in Aso, which is a Alcaraz. Alcaraz say, todo Madridista quiere ver a Mbappe and El Madrid. Now say, Obi oye Madrid fan biano, any of Roma Madridistas no. Obi oye Madrid fan biano. When you bet just Obi Mbappe or Bo Ediama club no. So he's also spoke in relation to that story or Markamu Albetinia Kenkai. Mundo Deportivo, focus on Arteta breaky Pep. Then this one they so so winning 6 trophies in a year at the Ama Manchester City. To Atrawa Arteta evita el sestet de Pep. Arteta prevents Pep from recording the sextet, which is winning 6 trophies. Ahanomatro Puso na Bernardo Silva dam finfin. Pep and a woman nifa. Jabi e woman benkum. Now there's a presentation here. El Barça presento una primera oferta por Bernardo Silva que el Manchester City rechazo. What is it saying? The Okan say Barca have made their first primary offer for Bernardo Silva. They said Saturday Now, obo present offer no Manchester City amadi anche sokra ado bobo tugu ye. Entenya di epemo. Eba say El Luso apreto para sale. Luso ne ye obi okan Portugal kasa. So it's much more like a slang for a Portuguese. Enti the Portuguese any the all person or no. There is time against Barcelona. Any omo push for the player because it favors Manchester City in the entire process and then has been captured here. And then Dembele also returning to training, no? And also remember the 2 stories, Dembele and then also Abrante Fence Bernardo Silva. Sport, a Catalan newspaper, almost a report, no? Ansu intransferable, no escucha ofertas. There's a no offer. And the best Sabasa stance, no? They believe that Ansu Fati is not for sale. Once again, blockio total. There's a total of 4 blocking. Dembele back training with FC Barcelona. Now let me explain the 2 scenarios. Matteo Alemany is the reason Dembele aba back on the Barca training. Okay.
Now Bishop Umbra.
Now the story is that Alemany and Barca, they want more money from PSG. 50 million the PSG bet you, but send you see teachers no. Barca think it's not favorable to them. And they have until August 21 to make sure this deal per the clause no ebe intact. Until the Barca have time. PSG need time. PSG need time because they need a player to return and then train with them and then prepare for the season. Barca want time because they can just allow the player to delay until 21st August. No matter say if they can make more money from the process, now Bamanyoma can kind of more. So as it stands now, there is an impasse between Dembele, Barca, and then PSG concerning how on better 50 million. To Bernardo Silva, the offer was presented. Nay alone with a mandatory obligation say better player no. Sekabe no mutudi 70 million euros. I know crano non person omode Joao Cancelo account. Man City rejected it. Man City don't want to sell. Pep Guardiola understands that a boy in a person kwa per a gentleman's agreement obema boy na ko ba wa opebiano bra na mundi nkomo. So that is where the situation is now. BNC nothing has happened. Joao Felix also train or say Oma na watch back. I was say Barca for an come Jabi, it has been communicated to him say Felix project no a club project on the umpire still on person motor boy So Barca would step up in case the Bernardo Silva deal fails. Then advantage of Felix and so baby expect a new bid from Chelsea to Brighton from Moises Caicedo.
Mate, merci pas Michael Diarebe Royal